You know, I wasn't really gonna do anything with this, but what the heck? Putting airbags on the dually, um, just for added help, maybe because it's a 1-ton, it rides like crap. But first step, got to pull the bolts out of those, and then we got to remove those, which it says to just pry on it. So that's what we're gonna try doing. It says pry bar or large screwdriver. I have a large pry bar. So we can find some place to pry from. Well, look at that. They were right. Just pry on those things. Try this side. Oh, hey George. Oh, that was lovely. Almost knocked myself out. But they're both out. So let's see here. Next step. Remove the bolt that holds the emergency bracket. Okay. Emergency bracket. Oh, right up there. That one. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. So that's what it's gonna look like when it's put together. Just follow the instructions for that. And that's what it'll look like up in there. My phone died, but they're in there. So as I said, everything's pretty self-explanatory. With the gooseneck hitch, I was able to use the U-bolts on the one end of the bracket, and then on the front side I had to drill, and they sent self-tappers, so you're supposed to drill 5/16 hole and then run these self-tappers in. Their self-tappers kept breaking, so I wound up making my own self-tapper. I just cut a notch in a grade 8 bolt and ran it in there myself, and that would seem to work a lot better. And then it didn't come, I had to go pick up another T because it didn't come with one. Not really sure why. And then I can get up. Up here, move my daughter's seat out of the way. Couldn't find a good place to put it, but right back up under there seemed to work pretty good. And I did just drill a hole back there and go through and put some loom around the line to keep it from tearing. And then I got the line comes up, runs through my kick, or not kick panel, sill plate, whatever you want to call it. And then up here, that's where I got my controls. And it all seems to work. So, yeah. I know it's not much help, but it's something. And then I'll put the links of the stuff I used somewhere down there in the description things.